One petition was filed by Mickey Paseco. What was the contention in the petition and what was the order of the court?
The contention, so far as the state of Goa was concerned, was that his contention was that the crime branch had raided him sometime in 2010 and confiscated certain items like computers, hard drives, laptops and all that. So he wanted that to be returned because he has to file some income tax assessment. Now he had got an order from the judicial magistrate sometime in 2018, and despite that he had not collected it. Now the petition got dismissed mainly because the High Court felt that he is coming at the last minute when the income tax assessment is to be done now, and for the last 6 years he had not in his petition he had not said anything as to what he had done. So the petition got dismissed mainly on that ground that the High Court felt this is an abuse of the process of the court, that last minute you are running to the court to look for documents when it should have been his duty to have taken urgent steps. Mainly also because the income tax had remanded the matter in 2022 for producing these documents or whatever he wanted to produce. So even from 22 he is still 2 years he had not taken any steps, nor was he able to show the court as to whether he had complied with the magistrate's order. Magistrate had ordered the crime branch to return the things, and he was supposed to give a bond. So the court asked him whether you have given a bond. Even that he was not supposed to produce documents to the court. So the court said you are coming too late at the last minute, and the writ court is not there for such a purpose.
Sir, perhaps
so the court dismissed it and has imposed a cost of rupees 25,000.
Sir, perhaps petitioner was saying that crime branch has not released him, and you are saying that he has not collected. What is the?
See, he has said in his petition, he was asked by the court whether what he has done. He was not able to show what he has done. Now he said he has said in the petition that the crime branch has refused. Now the court asked him to show from his documents this fact, which he was not able to show. So because of that the court did not ask us also anything, because he himself was not able to show that he had approached the crime branch or did anything, and the only thing he was able to show was that he gave a letter in February 24 when the income tax notice came to him in January. So the court basically said that you are coming too late at the last minute and seeking court's help.
What those articles were seized in the Nadia death case?
I don't know which case, but because we also got the petition today morning, because it was meant, there is another thing the court said, that he has mentioned the matter for urgent circulation. He may just mentioned it yesterday and kept it for today, and we got the copies today, but I think the raid was happened in somewhere in 2010, and those items were seized by that time, and there was an order also for release in 2018 February. So main point of the High Court was that for 6 years you have not done anything.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.